I need to take a bus. I need to take a bus. I check the bus schedule. I check the bus schedule. I choose a bus route. I choose a bus route. I get ready to leave. I get ready to leave. I lock the door. I lock the door. The weather is nice. The weather is nice. I arrive at the bus stop. I arrive at the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I look at the timetable. I look at the timetable. The bus is coming. The bus is coming. I see the bus. I see the bus. The bus stops here. The bus stops here. I get on the bus. I get on the bus. I greet the driver. I greet the driver. I buy a ticket. I buy a ticket. I pay the fare. I pay the fare. I look for a seat. I look for a seat. I find a seat. I find a seat. I sit by the window. I sit by the window. I put my bag on my lap. I put my bag on my lap. The bus starts moving. The bus starts moving. I see many buildings. I see many buildings. I look out the window. I look out the window. I see a park. I see a park. The bus stops again. The bus stops again. More people get on. More people get on. I listen to music. I listen to music. I send a message. I send a message.